So Zwizer has replied to Nota's allegations or lies.
Zwizer chickened out. Like, I came there. What you do on the Zwizer show is that he comes.
You went?
I went to his house or his producer's house,
studio.
and then they give you the beat, and then they show you what he's written, and then you write and you respond,
record,
right?
yeah.
So I responded. I wrote my bars. I murdered him.
Luthola kuphi imali yokuthenga trophy. The only cup you get is probably a cup of coffee. Sinshaya 3-0 first game ningakhohlwa ukuthi iskobo ngathi lustraw njengecoach. Mafuna ukuvula icase mele uvula icase yamabhiya jika majika chase down chicha magiya obani bagomeleza njala abo kapadia ukhala blind that's black and white tipakania
Dona nganwebedela matrose angaduty phela wino ringa ngayo wayithola ngenxa yomuthi acaba ukuthi ezamashute nasicaba ne Call of Duty but the beauty okudlala futhi ngayibopha ukuthi ungangixuthi so just cut the BS ungibonge ngokrafi PF as if it wasn't for TS the course ngabe yun TS na connect thathe like 3 years ukuzama prove ukuba solid subject 3 points ogcina bakucharge emalini obi
boy wabona frost when ayinkinga you lost mele ngikufake ku microwave you need to defrost to foster njenge mosquito eluma umuntu kwi crocs kodwa ukuluma ibhakaniya inkinga sifaka ama box nama blocks bengithi striker who called the cops don't you pretty next to some city sitting in flop it's a pity really oh willy nilly thinking lit up but what's really silly we want the million never stop you will flop cause you're a bad listener njengo clock and you Stellenbosch kept you Stellenbosch njenge lock had to dash your dreams like water and whiskey on the rocks you're a child I'm your pops you're all miles not your horse